Welcome back to Just Cook, damn it. Watch my daughter make one of my favorite dishes, tteokbokki. All thanks to K-drama. Let me say, it's definitely as good as they make it out to be on the shows, I can tell you that. Let's start off with the ingredients. Here's a quick glance of them. Don't worry, you can find all the ingredients in the description field. So, let's get started, shall we? First, start by prepping. Chopping up some green onions. You can typically separate the green parts from the white parts of the green onions. Next, cutting your fish cakes. Here we used about 6 to 7 sheets of the fish cake. You don't have to cut it in triangle, it's just a habit of my daughter. She likes them in triangles. And then move on to chopping up some bacon. Once done, grab them, put them in your pan, and cook them down. When they're near done, you want to take your green onions and some garlic and throw those into the mix. Next step, add some heavy whipped cream. Now the trick is just to make sure that the heavy whipped cream is covering the bottom of the pan, as you see my daughter doing here. Afterwards, add in some milk, some sugar, give that a good mixing, and then add in some red pepper flakes, and red paste. Now we bought all our ingredients from a store called H Mart, but you can buy yours from a local Korean store. If you don't have a local Korean store, just call your grocery store and see if they carry these items. Once the red paste has been mixed in well, you'll see the mixture turn a reddish color like you see here. And that means you're ready to move on. So you're adding on some black pepper, then you want to throw in your rice cakes, your little smokies, fish cakes, and mix gently by tossing them so they're all coated with the liquid, the sauce that you see. Afterwards, place the lid on and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Remove the lid and sprinkle on some mozzarella cheese. Now don't be scared to be heavy-handed here. If you want your tteokbokki to be cheesy, I like mine to be cheesy, so don't be worried about being heavy-handed. Once you put all your cheese in, throw the lid back in or back on and let that simmer for a little bit. Now that should take about 5-10 minutes. And this is what it should look like after it's done. Next step, grab a bowl, grab your favorite pair of chopsticks, and enjoy your bowl of tteokbokki. Because I can tell you right now, I did. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. God bless.